Next company from Haida, Dongguan. Before they come in, I'd love to give you a brief introduction. Haida has founded in 2004. Okay, I see Daniel is coming in the showroom. Hello, Daniel from Haida. Hello, Daniel, can you hear me? Hello, Daniel.
Hear you again.
Hi, Daniel. Wow, that's great. Hi, Daniel. Nice to meet you. Nice to see you again. And I can see you. I can see your face. Okay, great. Hello, Daniel. This is Jane. Jane from Lightstrade, and good afternoon. Good to see you again, Daniel. And okay.
Yes. So you can guide me.
Yeah, I got you. It's working now. It's really good. And thank you for your waiting. Thank you for your participating in this Lightstrade factory tour special event. And Daniel from Dongguan Haida, would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company or your product line or your anything you want to show us in this like 10 to 15 minutes? Thank you. Here you go.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the time, Jen. Yes, I'm Daniel Yip from Haida International Equipment. Haida is Dongguan Haida Equipment was established in October 2004.
Okay, you're back now. I was losing you for a few seconds. Now it's okay. Okay. Continue, please.
Internet call. So in 2005, Haida is manufacturing and providing paper and packaging, universal tension machine, and environmental test machines, and also for furniture, foam, and optics test machines. So this machine is suitable and focused in a very wide industry. And 2006, Haida International Sales Division was formally established. And 2007, Haida branch office in Kunshan, Jiangsu, established. 2007, we passed ISO 9001. And now Haida having 3 factories, 2 factories in Daojiao, Dongguan City, and 1 factory in Hunan province. And I'm in charge of the reliable environment testing division of Haida global market. So we focus on automatic lightning, LED and lightning, and also for the so mainly focus on automatic and also for the now LED.
Hello, Daniel. I'm losing you. Like, feel. Hello, Daniel. Maybe due to the signal issue, we are losing Daniel for 10 minutes. Sorry, 10 seconds. Hello, Daniel, you're back. Great. See you again. Yeah, please continue. Yeah.
So now
the signal is still not that good. I see a signal bar in Daniel's side is red, only 1 bar. 3 bar is green. and one bar is red. So don't worry, just wait a little. Wait up. Just from Daniel's introduction, I see that Haida has many factories, actually, at least the 2 factories, right? One is in Dongguan and another in Hunan. And Daniel is in charge of the reliability department of Haida. And is responsible
Can you
for
hear me?
the lightning. Hello, hi, Daniel. I can hear you now.
Yes.
Now I can see you are moving, image of moving. Now it's working.
Okay.
Yeah, very good, very good. Oh, oops. The signal can, you're back. You're losing, you're back. Kind of a. Oh, I'm seeing your iPhone presentation slides. Great.
Okay. Sorry.
So Daniel is going to show us the slides prepared to give a full introduction of Haida International Company. While the signal is still retrieving, I love to say that Haida is the manufacturer and the sales testing machines used to test the paper and the packaging, automobiles, stimulate, accelerate environmental system, plastic, rubber, and the luggage. So the R&D center has Haida owned the independent R&D center since 2007 and expand testing machine in furniture and foam, toys, stroller, and a bicycle, of course, including lighting, LED lighting. As my memory recalls, Daniel has in charge of the reliable department and in charge of the LED testing. Great. So Haida is becoming a market leader in the one-stop solution material testing industry. So Haida is mainly doing the testing, which including furniture, foam, and of course LED lighting. Hello, Daniel. Hi.
Sorry.
Hi. You're finally back.
I'm sorry. I don't know how to share.
Oh, the screen sharing, right? Because the signal
about the LED light. About internet problem or others. It's okay. For from Haida, Haida is about
okay.
The real environment. And package free fertilizer for the LED and lightning test machines. So firstly, for the environment reliable testing series, Haida can provide a moisture testing and also do emission for the thermal resistance. The third number 3 is for aging test. Number 4 is for environmental stress test.
Environmental test.
Yeah, for is one series is about environment reliable test series. It will mainly have we can provide the temperature and the humidity test chambers
Mhm.
Second is the thermal shock test. The third product is the vibration test. Because the lightning we transport on the road, we need to simulate the vibration during the transportation. And also for the corrosion test, it's about salt spray test for the metal parts or some coating on the lightning LED fixtures. Okay, and
Right.
third one is about IP testing. IP protection test. It can fulfill the IEC 60598. IP testing include one is for water grade testing, water level, and also the dust protection level.
Great.
And for the sun simulation test is about UV light, and also xenon light. Can simulate the solar irradiance strength test. Because part of our lightning customer, if you use on the road, a street light, and the light used in outdoor. Okay. So for the IP testing and also temperature, thermal shock.
Great.
Okay.
Hi.
It's about IP test.
IP test.
From IP 1 to IP 8, and also for the lightning test for the automatic headlamp.
Automated
Also
headlamp.
the IP9K, IPX9K test.
Yeah.
Okay. Totally for the above is our test solutions for the LED and lightning test products.
Right.
Thank you, Jen.
Oh, thank you, Daniel. Daniel, may I ask a quick question for you, please? Because from your vivid and detailed introduction of your products, I see that your testing range is covered like humidity, temperature, and covering furniture, foam, and LED lightning, of course, right?
Actually, mainly for industry.
Oh yeah.
For industry, one is environmental agent test. The second is the mechanics test machines.
Yeah.
Mechanics. The third is paper and packaging. Last one is for the furniture test series. Home furniture. Home furniture.
So your company is providing this testing service to the customer, or you are selling your the chambers, the testing chambers?
We're selling chambers.
Okay, selling chambers.
Selling
selling chambers to
Either
overseas.
selling hello, Jen. Haida is under QTS group. QTS group, including machinery production for the lab machines. Second is for the calibration service for our machine. And third, we have a quality testing service company for the after sales service.
Oh, I see. It's very clear and a lot. Yeah.
That's why you are very we are clear that Haida is providing one-stop solution for our customers.
One-stop solution. Great. Yes. Great. Anything else you want to share with us, or next time join us participating next time? Thank you. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you. Thank you for your. Have a good day and bye bye. See you.
You too. Bye. See you.
Bye-bye. Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Daniel. Oh, that's great. This is a company doing the the testing, the one-stop, providing the one-stop solution in testing, and so the testing chamber and mainly focusing in industry. Okay.